All right, this is for Rich. Hit Parade Baseball Batters Box Edition 2020 Series 2. That's 44 out of 50. Good luck. Ooh, no big deal, just some Dynasty. All right, let's take a peek. Bonne chance. Listen, I don't know how this happened, but this is the spookiest thing ever. Hank Aaron's number was that box. Both of them were sealed. 3 out of 3, Hank Aaron and Ronald Acuna Jr. How? How does that happen? It is a sign today is going to be full of big breaks. Hey, Rich, how does that work for you? Yeah. What are the chances? Somebody just added another red string to their conspiracy theory chart in their basement. Wow. Wow. Well, there you go. I feel like I should go home now. That was it. That was it. We did it. Congratulations. Let's move on.